Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Pad Neo, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and from here in the toggle section you're looking for the power saving mode. For me it is right over here. As you can see, it's named power saving. Once you see it, simply tap on it and you're good to go. Now there's additionally also super power saver basically. So once enabled, as you can see, it will prioritize battery life, so it only gives you limited amount of applications, no wallpaper, and that's about it. Now to leave it, there we go, we have an exit button right over here. Confirm it. And there we go. Now, I'll mention one thing. When using power saving mode or the ultra power saving mode, whatever it's called, typically most devices tend to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when in this mode to preserve battery life. So because of this, you might experience that your notifications are being delayed in delivery or just not being delivered to you at all, as long as you're not using the device. But in any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.